usapan niyo ba tong movie na to lately? Na baka, last na to ha, or maybe, I don't know, parang ganun, may ganun ba?
Si Billy kasi, parang, a lot of people kasi don't know the dynamics of our relationship. Si Billy, very, very supportive siya. Parang, kung nakikita niya na dito ako nagsushine, or ito yung hilig ko, at kung ito yung passion ko, susuportahan niya all the way. And, like I said, yung hard part kasi, like sa first movie, we got through it already. So ngayon, parang, nakasanayan na rin namin as a unit na just to support each other regardless. Pero as far as your question goes, wala naman po kaming usapan na ititigil or ilalesen. Siguro it depends pa rin sa material na ipipresent. Kung maganda yung role, kung maganda yung story, game pa rin naman ako.
Kay Sia naman, gaano ka-komportable o hindi ka-komportable gawin yung ganitong klaseng role na required you to go sexy?
Definitely at first, ang dami ko talagang tanong eh. kina Jancy, to all the creatives, I had a lot of questions kasi it's very new para sa akin, coming from a whole different genre na rom-com, love story. But this time around, I mean, after all the questions ng pagdating ko sa set, it still felt, it kind of felt uneasy at first. Pero, I mean, working with Direk Gino and everyone involved in the set, very hands-on kasi sila eh. So I think dun pa lang, nawala na yung kaba ko, especially nga dun sa mga eksena na hindi ko pa masyadong gamay gawin. They were there. Nandun naman sila, everyone was present. So parang pag may mga tanong kami, lalo na kaming tatlo, nung mga first days namin, parang syempre hindi pa namin kilala yung working style ng isa't isa. Nandun naman si Direk to guide us.
Hindi ko alam kung kanino ko itatanong to. Kasi ang Star Cinema, kahit anong klaseng genre yan, talagang in the end, meron siyang sound values na ibinibigay sa mga manonood. Ano dito yung, meron ba?
Hello. Ayan, well, of course, patama po kayo na Star Cinema talaga is known to create content na...
Especially for family.
Oo, na, kumbaga, no matter how daring the company creates, di ba, parang, at the end of the day, yung preservation ng family is very, very important. Yun. So, feeling ko, hindi ko pala feeling, I know for sure na nandito yun sa pelikula, di ba? Well, dun pa lang sa trailer, nakita nyo na po na ang copy namin is the greatest sin in love is to not fight for it, diba? So, kasi it really talks about redeeming love and redeeming a marriage and fighting for it, diba? And of course, more than yung edge niya, more than yung darkness niya, it's really, fundamentally, it's a story of a marriage. So, yun siya. Parang, so, dun po definitely, pasok siya dun sa, diba, yun sa values na meron din yung Star Cinema as a company.